Marquis marak ulo ong bau Biren Singh udi ubalapen mi ik jingkul marah ke jelam Manipur bat barok kita bahaya kata. Hendrai mentapat ulapen mi kelai ke kerteng jong UPA Sangma ubala klat no dengan pertai. Ulo ong bagani ke jingkun no kalong ke ika bamla ban pediang bat ulapen rem jor kini ke jingkun no bat dawa UN Biren Singh bu ni ban Panmap mardor. Umar kuis marak ulo ong bo PS sang mau doi nong elam ubat tibet bat ubat train ke benta ke bahag kemiat kipat ba kamtam ya kat han stelam mi bat udan ni kedong rem ke baskem ban penya teli kipat ba om ban penya pat ya pra kumel ke no du en Biren Singh nagaliang national president ke NPP u Konrad kongkal sangma ubdei ru kuon jong PS sangma upun pau ya ke jingbam sengut tenat bo en Biren Singh ulepen mi ke kerteng jong PS sangma ubla trei borba na ke benta kimat bat ki hok kipat ba kat han stelam mi Ulo ong bahag kene ke kelamat barok gede ben chimkia ban ele ban penne ya ke jingsuk bat jingsingan ha Manipur. Hendrai om ban ya le ki kamsan perthai barok gidan kam ban ya trilang.
N. Biren Singh, who is a former Chief Minister of Manipur, and he has created the mess in Manipur, which everyone knows it. And now he is putting a blame on P.S. Sangma, who is no longer with us in the world. Totally, this is unacceptable. We condemn it, and I seek an apology from N. Biren Singh. You must seek an apology because you should not put a blame on P.S. Sangma. P.S. Sangma has been an integrity leader. He has been a national leader who has worked for the people of Northeast, for every state, and his principle is to unite everyone together, not to divide each one of us. So therefore, I totally condemn this one on behalf of NPP party Garo Hills, and I'll seek an apology from N. Biren Singh.